Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, not in today's newspaper on June the 14th, 2023. Told you earlier, no extra puzzle, no additional in today's newspaper. It's the edition of Tuesday, June the 13th. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 3 stars. And one puzzle is left, well, this one, the Tectonic, the Tectonic with 1 star. Tectonic with 1 star. Number, let me see which number it will be. Where's my pencil? It's number 6595. 6595. Before I start, always count the printed digits. 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 19. And for one, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Boxes, because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes, I see dual boxes. Yeah, dual box, here the 1 is already given, so that box should be a 2 then. The dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. Here also the 1 is given, so this box should be 2. Here also a dual box, the 2 is given, so this box should be a 1. Here also a dual box, 1 and a 2. 1 is given. Here also 1 and a 2. Well, here I need more information, insufficient information right now. So let me mark those, the 1 and the 2. More dual boxes? No. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Here we have a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so that box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3 then. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5, okay. More triple boxes in this puzzle. Yeah, here. Here the 4 is already given. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, do not know in which order. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. We have here the first shape that you need to recognize, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, it can't be a 2 anymore. We have a 2 there. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also a 1. 1 digit left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. More L shapes in this puzzle here. Mirrored. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Here, another one. Another L-shape area. L-shape figure, structure, or construction. Here, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, more L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Oh, 1. Here another one, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, rotated, this one. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one shape of this kind. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. Oh, what's happening? My pencil. My pencil. It's not good. Not good. Let me draw this here. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Well, it's already filled in here. So this box has the same name as that box. Here, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. We have here 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. 4. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 4. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there in this area. Here or there. We see another 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. I should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. I should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. I should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left of the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. Is connected with that box should be also 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. And those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. It's not a solution to place the 1 there, because if I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 there. So no, not solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay, so this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box is also connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box is connected with that box, so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, so we also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on a Thursday. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.